Pati yung picture niya dyan, oh. And then we have Julina. Okay, anak ng photo. Ah! Pangalan is Agus or Aiso. Aiso. Okay, wala naman. Kuya Marvin. Okay, Julina, anak ng photo. Ay! Maganda pangalan mo guys, of course. Joke Lengs or Joleng Lengs.